I'm going to demonstrate how to put the G2 perch spacer on, and the function of this is a lot of riders have larger hands and the levers are too close to where it's not ergonomically correct for them. So we have designed this perch spacer that fits right in advance of the brake or the clutch lever, and I'll demonstrate how you put that. It does come with the two longer bolts that are needed, and it's made of Delrin material. So on this model, we're going to use an 8mm wrench to loosen the two bolts that hold this together. We're going to take it away from the bike. We're going to make sure we use the longer bolts that are supplied. We put the perch spacer in advance. It then fits right back onto the handlebar. We take the two bolts that are supplied, and they're also 8mm, the same as OEM. And what we're going to do is we're going to snug one up, bring the other one to where it's fairly got a little tension on it. We're going to move the lever to exactly the position that we like it. I like to tighten the top one first, just snug her up, go back to the bottom one, and we recommend you tighten these to manufacturer specifications. And what this did now is now it moved the lever out to where someone with larger hands has more room to work their fingers. One of the other nice features of our perch spacer is in the event that you fall, it allows your bracket to rotate so you're less apt to break your lever.